Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a holiday canvas floor mat. The instructions for making a holiday floor canvas mat are the same, whether you choose to do gift wrapped or let it snow. The patterns are from BEHG Designs and both use Premier Print fabric, slub canvas for the background, and cotton duck canvas for the appliqué pieces. So you'll need one of our kits. They include the backing. For this project, I also used Hot Fix adhesive. And you'll need a good pair of Karen K. Buckley scissors, probably the purple ones and the blue ones, depending on which project you use. The following instructions will be for Let It Snow, because it has one extra step. The pattern pieces for Let It Snow are large, so they'll need to be taped together. She gives you instructions to overlap your pages by 1/4 inch and use tape. And I did just that. Now you need to trace the pattern pieces onto the paper side. It's labeled on the Hot Fix of the Hot Fix. She did not reverse the pattern pieces, so make sure your pattern pieces are upside down. They should be backwards when you're looking. I used my Caterpillar light box. I love it for tracing appliqué. The snowman also has 2 very large pieces, and you'll need to piece your Hot Fix for those large appliqué pieces. Once you have all your pieces traced, cut them out, leaving a border around the outside. They are trimmed down after they are applied to the fabric. Make sure to label correctly. I laid my pieces on the fabric just to make sure I had enough room. Then I lightly pressed with my iron just to make sure they didn't move. Then I flipped the fabric over and I pressed on the right side of my fabric. Hot Fix takes a long time to adhere, so don't rush the process. Take your time and follow the directions in the package. I did that for all the colors of the projects. These are from gift wrapped. Here are some snowballs from Let It Snow. Now it's time to cut everything out. Use your Karen K. Buckley scissors. They're perfect for appliqué. They have a serrated blade to help grip the fabric, and they're sharp right to the tip. Once everything's cut out, go ahead and lay it down. She gives great measurement suggestions for where pieces can go. Play around with it till you like it. Once everything is where you want it, it's time to press it down. Again, follow the instructions for the Hot Fix in the packaging and give it lots of time to cure and adhere to the background. Pay particular attention to the edges of your pieces. Make sure they're stuck down very well. She gives complete instructions for doing a whimsical edge stitch around her pieces. She uses free motion stitching with black thread. You could do that. You could match your thread and do free motion. You could, if you wanted, even do a satin stitch or a blanket stitch. I chose not to do anything. There's my completed Let It Snow. Let It Snow has 80/20 batting inside, and I had it quilted at the store. I did circles so that it looked kind of like snowballs, and I love how it looks. I did a regular binding on the floor mats, but I did an extra layer of stitching just because it's a floor mat and it's going to get washed a lot. For gift wrapped, we put in soft and stable just to see what it would be like. I really like it. If I made another one and I will. I think I'll put soft and stable inside. This mat is quilted with Christmas balls. The holiday floor canvas mats are completely machine washable. Put them in your washing machine on cool with a mild detergent and wash them for a cycle. Throw them in the dryer just till the wrinkles are out. Then take them out, flatten it, and let it air dry. I hope you enjoy making your holiday floor canvas mat. Thanks for joining me for How TosDay. I hope you'll try making a canvas floor mat, whether it's holiday or not. And I encourage you to try Hot Fix adhesive for your next project.